All right. Did you just get your platform switched over to DXTrade like I did? It was a little bit crazy. I didn't know it was going to happen, but I'm now away from MT4 and I'm using DXTrade. Let's go ahead and see what it's all about. So the first thing you want to do is click the link, like right here. I just clicked the link in the dashboard and it takes you to the website. So this is a trading website, which is pretty cool. Okay, now I want to show you a couple things on how to use this because right now I'm liking where I'm at. It has your balance right up here on top, which is nice. It's got your equity. I made a couple nice trades right off the bat. I made a Bitcoin buy and a euro dollar buy, and so far they're looking pretty good. You can see your positions down here at the bottom. Bitcoin is up 5,600, and actually the rest of them aren't doing so good, but that one position is big enough to really make it happen. And the take profits at 60,000. So let's show you how to make a trade. You go over here into the window, and let's just do gold, XAU USD. All right, so you just type the symbol in, and there it goes, and it pulls up, right? And so right over here, you can use the platforms, daily, 1 minute. So I like the way it navigates. It's pretty good. It takes a little while to load it, but one feature that's kind of cool is you can add another tab right here. Okay, so I can now pull this out and I can drag this over to my other monitor, which is really nice. So I can have a chart over here, and then I go back to my other chart. I can move it back over here. So I really like that fact that you can have multiple charts. And then, you can actually click up here. You can click plus, or you can click chart, and it adds a new chart, right? Just like that. We can close it down. We can click chart, and then it pulls it up, and you just move it around, right? You can move it back up top, and there you have it. Okay, and so now we have that, and I kind of like this trade right here. See, we're down. We got a lot of resistance down here. We got a big crash on the 1 minute time frame. Let's go ahead and take a buy trade. And you can easily just adjust your size, and it shows you how much margin. So right here, I have 38,000 free margin. This is only going to take 3,000, so that is pretty good. If I want to add a stop loss, you just click this, stop loss. And so the price is 88.37. I could just go 0.88, and that would be not 88, 0.88, 0.88. 0.88, and that way I've got about a 40 pip stop. We're going to put our buy, and we can put our take profit in here too, and you can see the current price is 41, so we could just put the price at 50 at the take profit. It tells you how much your take profit is, $56. Your stop loss is 312. So we can go ahead. It has a nice little chime that's really interesting and fun. You can go to your account page here that shows your positions, order history, cash movements, and messages. There's different tools as well, a trading journal, the trading dashboard, alerts. You can set up alerts, a time and sales, which is really helpful. You can change it from bar, candle, and line. There's also different trend lines and Fibonacci retracements, so we can go ahead and show our fibs, which this is kind of nice right here. I like that. Once we have the fibs, we can add alerts, buy and sell. Let's see, what else can we do? We can do trend lines. Again, very nice. We can add right here indicators. If you click the little bottle here, indicators. So we're going to go with moving average, EMA. All right, we set our settings. That's what I like. Okay, you see that, and I love the EMA personally. It's the 9 EMA is one of my favorite to have, so I like to have that on every chart. There's the settings, the chart settings, where you can show the crosshair. You can show your volume. You can show the watermark, which is interesting. Grid. I'm not a big fan of the grid, so I'm going to move that away. You can show the borders or not on the candles. I do like that. Show volume, which is pretty interesting. Change your candle colors, your wicks, the lines up and down, the background. You know what? It's gray right now. Let's turn it darker black. You see that? Volume is gray. I kind of like that. Foreground is white. We're going to get it to redraw here. And then different padding features. Not sure exactly what all those do. We'll click OK. And one thing that I'm not figuring out is how I don't know how to do that. Okay, but now I can check and see how my positions are doing by just clicking that positions button. And so you can see my Australian Canadian trade, which I just took, is down $8. That Australian Canadian trade is down $8. This X, like this, and then you can just close it anytime. I can say, okay, look, we're popping up. Maybe I just want to get out at break even, and I want to say, okay, I'll just get out of here. You can just close it. I could just close 0.01. 0.01, and so we can just close that, which is a really nice little feature. And so now I only have 0.99. I really like that because you can partialize your positions really easy. You can create a watch list here, which is really good because you can see what's happening. And you go percent change on the day. You know, okay, Euro New Zealand's really moving, so let me go ahead and see what's going on with that. Right, and you can buy right from the watch list. And then if you want, you can actually, I was wondering if there was a way to pop it into a chart. And yeah, you can just view the chart right here. And we can pull that up to the chart bar. And now we got the Euro New Zealand chart. And we can close our positions down. And so I think that's really cool. And we can go back and add our positions back up. And we can drag it down to here. So now we can go to watch list or positions. And, you know, I do like to see what's moving the most. So it's always good to see. So now we got Euro New Zealand. Look at Euro. Let's go to a 1 hour time frame, see what we got. Okay, so we have a big breakout here. So do you think this momentum will continue? I think it might. So should I take a trade? Well, I can just go ahead and do so right here. Okay, so yeah, I mean, that's pretty much the general overview of the charts. It's got a lot of good features. You can do one-click trading, which is really nice. I always like one-click trading, but you really don't even need it that much because this is just so fast. Boom. What's my stop loss? 1.7. Then I can see my projected loss is $44. Let's go to 0.1. Oh, there's a $440 trade, and we can just send the order. And there we do. I just bought it. Let's see how my position's doing. Anything I want to close right now? Well, my odd CAD position, let's go look at that chart. It started to bounce, that odd CAD. I'm up $10, so I'm pretty happy with that trade. Let's go ahead and close it. $9.50 profit, close position. And now I just got out of there. If I want to see the trade, we can go to Trading Journal, and it will show all of the trades that you made. And you can tag your trades as well. And there is a way to get the trading history too, as well. Right here, we have order history right here. You can get your order history up, your orders. There's a close trade button. So yeah, there's a lot of good stuff on this platform, and I really like it so far. And it's going to take a little bit getting used to because